Welcome to part 7. So in this part of the video, this is when we leave Mont Cenis after our epic journey yesterday, up and down the mountain. We go over the Sedan today, which is a very famous memorial in France. Very touching when you read it. And we had the miracle breakdown. You want to watch this one. Good morning. This is day 7 into our Jolly Boys trip. We had a great day yesterday, up and down Cenis. I mean, look at the setting this morning. Oh, c'est magnifique. Oh, so today we are leaving top of Cenis where we are, heading back down towards Modane, over to the Sedan, cross over Sedan, and then finishing Nantua tonight. That is the plan anyway. Let's go and see how Darren is this morning. He's been a bit valeting. Oh, here's the valet department.
No, thank you.
Morning.
Morning. I broke the toilet seat.
What?
Yeah, we got to find a B&Q.
Oh, morning, Nicholas.
Morning, Ian.
What?
Toes broke the toilet seat.
How did you do that?
I put my foot on it.
Straight through it.
Straight through it.
He doesn't understand why it's done it.
Because I wanted to dry my toes.
Yes. This is why we love Richard.
This because your leg's my body weight you're stood on.
Oh, John Thomas has got the grill up. Oh.
Look, I'll show you.
Let's go and have a look. Yeah, we like a bit of that. People don't believe the dramas we have on this trip. So we need to find a French B&Q. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, Richard? You didn't break it, mate, you destroyed it. What is le fucked in French? Le fucked. John, you can just screw it from the top. Yes, that's alright. Over. I'll get it. Go for it. I was going to say, go on. Moving, Darren.
What have you done this morning?
The maintenance on the Murdochs for a change. One day I'll get a day off. You're looking at yourself.
No, I was just looking at racing.
The plan for today is, so we're going back to Modane, to the Autoport for diesel with John, and then heading over to Sedan, which is another hilly pass in France, and finishing Nantua, which is about,
Nantua.
I think it's about, we got 400 kilometres today?
How many?
400 I think.
Quite a bit then.
Yeah, quite a bit today, yeah.
Nantua twinned with Hakua.
Ask Richard about that.
Day 7.
Yeah, well he says day 6, but I think it's day 7 on our chart.
Yeah, it is. Wednesday the 11th of June. See there, it says total 180 miles. Ah, that's miles. So it will be kilometres. Bit of a miss then.
Remember thumbs up. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, he gives us a nod. Here we go again. No, sir. No, sir. No, 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 no.
Day 7. We're back down to the pass. This is where we had the big bend yesterday. Now hopefully Murdoch's got trailer brakes, otherwise I'm going to dent the back doors. He said his brakes were crap. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? The big bend. Oh, you'll get the lorries coming down here.
Yes.
The village de Cenis. It is a bit narrow through here, I can't lie.
How do you spell that from the guys?
M-O-D-A-N. When you get diesel for John. Isn't it tight? Modane 17. I know where you're going anyway. Let me get it on the map.
Modane.
Yes. Modane. See you there, look at the sign. Modane.
Minutes, 22 kilometres. That sounds right.
Yes. Oh, he's got ski lift stuff. L'école, la formation. Oh, está llena. Bus.
Large patisserie, croissants and sandwiches.
Oh, I thought you were speaking me French now. Oh, my goodness, darling. Well,
This is very tight.
yes, but we are chauffeurs, darling. We can manage.
Don't scratch the trailer rims.
Oh, I did one yesterday. Well, luckily I'm a painter.
It's nice that they look after the English. Snack bar, over, up on.
Le petit pub.
It doesn't look very open though.
No. I'll be able to reply on the chat.
You what?
I'm going to reply. I'll be stopping up my name. Look at that view there, though. Look. Look ahead. You see the mountain range. Look. Where do you get to drive a truck and get a view like that?
And not working. Well, you're doing a bit
No,
of
I'm
working.
not working. I mean, that's
Wait, you are, sir.
absolutely not. Yeah, well,
You are every morning.
not my choice.
Yeah. Okay, get there first. They come into no entry. Oh, I can't read the French signs. I'm gonna be cleaning all them wheels every morning.
What do you think of that, Darren?
I think the GoPro is looking and I am not.
Oh, like it?
Where are we now?
Off the viaduct.
Off
We're
the
near
viaduct.
Annecy.
Annecy.
Annecy, yeah. Not far from Annecy. We're actually only about 25 miles from Geneva here. So we're going upbound the Swiss kind of side.
Are we going to the convention?
No.
No. Don't you think we'd do good at the
Look,
convention?
Annecy.
Ah, Annecy. Mr. Payne?
Yes. Richard. Does.
Richard needs a new toilet seat.
Oh, but yes. Richard will do your toilet seat. But he did say he was lucky because normally it's about 3 days of piss. And he
Yes.
flushed it. And he says he just had a pony in the morning.
Yes,
So he's lucky he wasn't putting his foot in the pony.
The old and the new.
Ultimates. Ultimates.
They do exhausts.
Not as loud as this one. Yeah, so we all left the services together. We were kind of lost out. For some reason, we were down the front.
Yes.
That's what you know it does.
I thought we'd been done with hills today.
Clearly not. We're climbing now, driver.
Yeah, look. Oh. Can we off?
Here we go. There's the battalion.
He had a fluffy dash.
They did have a fluffy dash. We have fluffy dice, they have fluffy dash. Bellegarde, so Valserine.
Vaseline.
Valserine. Must be steep here because it's snow tyres. So
I thought that was don't smuggle tyres in your suitcase. Oh, we're high up here though. over a railway track, are we? Everything's a bendy. There's no one on the road.
Well, Darren, we have got 5 kilometres of day 7 left.
I've just tried to find where my sin is, and we are 664 miles away from it.
Oh, you didn't the stick?
I've got
I need
this
a stick.
Oh yeah, you need that stick.
Gear stick. I like how cars and trucks are just abandoned at the side of the road here.
Some nice cars and all. We haven't back in the UK.
No. I have seen some rare beauties up here. Well, 4. Citroen AX. That wee man there, look. Sure, that's racing.
Look.
Oh, look, his knees, that's what.
So this is what?
Is it here?
Yeah? Yeah. Must be. Oh! They left it open just for us. Oh, get there. Where are you going to park, brother?
Dixon International from Ireland up the top of the bridge.
Here we go.
But we've been here a while.
We have.
We've been here a while, yeah. We've been here 20 minutes. We obviously took the right cut, not they took the wrong cut, which they thought was a shortcut.
Well,
Should have stuck with the young boy.
we followed the bits of paper.
Did it Italy a lot when I was younger. I can hear the old Volvo and Scania. Aha, there's Nicholas. Aha, there he is. There's the painting. Murdoch's. Old dog for the hard road, puppy for the pavement.
Always looks clean.
Yeah, one thing with Nick, he is on it with that truck. God. He knows how to scrub a motor, that's for sure. He doesn't know his directions. Not to listen to him. Oh, they must have stopped with Richards then, eh? Yes. Oh, 143, 143, 143. Look at that, I'll get a picture quick. Say is Daz. The 143s are here first. That's all I'll say. I'm a 143 boy. But they are here first. That looks good with 2 Centurions, doesn't it? Simple. Ah, look. Big 164. Oh, 124. Still grafting away over here, look. You're on McLean. Ah, look. Mr. Italiano.
I've got 3 of them cheap t-shirts.
Look, come here.
One of them's in McLean colours.
Look at that, very nice. Matras Transporti. French colleagues on the beer, look. Ah. Prost. Prost.
Thank you.
Pas de problème. Thank you for watching part 7. As you've seen, we had the miracle breakdown with Daz. How it never caught fire, who knows? But that is the antics of the road trip. Anyway, thanks for watching and keep tuned for part 8.